Pennsylvania. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a flash flood warning for Central Allegheny
No
County,
flash flood warning.
Western Pennsylvania until 4 p.m. At 12:57 p.m., radar indicated heavy rain from thunderstorms in the Warren area. Flash flooding is likely to begin shortly on area roads. Flash flooding expected.
Whoa.
Estimated rainfall around 1 inch.
Sorry about that.
Additional rainfall up to 1/2 inch. Some locations that may experience flooding include Pittsburgh, Penn Hills, Shaler Township, Wilkinsburg, Swissvale, O'Hara Township, Forest Chapel, Rohale, Edna, Sharpsburg, Edgewood, Aspenwall. Turn around, don't drown. Most flood fatalities occur in vehicles. Please report flooding by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh. Weather message. For the following counties,